Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this React.js video tutorial we will learn about React developer tool. We also call it React dev tool, right? So in this session we will learn everything like why we use React developer tool, how we can install it, benefits of it, and we will just check example with the code also. We will take 2 or 3 components and I will show you the complete example of it, right? So let's discuss the theoretical part first, then we will just jump on example. So when we are just developing any website or any software, the our aim is we can complete it with the minimum resources with the minimum time. For that we use the different kind of tools and techniques. Let's say sometimes we use the autocomplete tools, sometimes we use the spell checker and kind of things, right? So React developer tool is also the similar kind of tool that will help us to provide the information about the every component. Like it will tell that in every component what kind of props, what kind of states, what kind of data we are using here, right? So we don't need to just install any npm package and all for that. This is basically a Chrome extension, right? So first of all, let's see how we can install it. So just jump on a new tab of Google and just write here React dev tool and just click on a React developer tool on a first link, which is basically a Chrome store, right? And you will find here install from Chrome. I already have installed it, that's why it is just asking to me to remove from Chrome, right? I don't want to remove it. So here you can see that this is our React developer tool, but when you want to access it, it will just tell that you cannot access or you cannot use React developer tool here because this is not a React website. That simply means React developer tool will only work on React website or React application, right? So this is my React application. So here you can see that it will just there is a tooltip like React developer tool has access to this website because this is a React application, right? So how we can see the more data and more details? For that you can just inspect here, and when you just install it, then you will find here 2 things. One is component, second thing is profiler. What is profiler we will talk in the next video, but in this video we will focus on the component, right? So these are there is only one component because this is a fresh and new React installed application, and by default we have only one component, and it will just tell the all details of this component like props, rendered by, and source and all, right? So this is rendered by the React DOM, and the source file which is included here in the index.js at the line number 9, right? And there is a no props. So now let's check that how we can just see the states and props and everything, right? So first of all, I'm just going to show you that how we can check the state inside it. So let's define some state. So just use here const like data, and you can also just put here set data, and it is basically a React dot use state, and let's say I'm just going to put here hello. So that time it will just tell that we have a one state, and this is coming from the hooks because we are using basically hooks here, right, for state. So let's say we have the lots of state and we just want to check the all state, then this is very difficult to us, but here it will tell that how many states we actually, okay, so we can just change it for a moment, right? So it will just tell that how many states we have in a specific component as well as how many props we have, right? So now let's check the how we can check the props and all, right? In the previous time what we actually do when we just rendering component and we want to check the props, then we will make a console kind of things, right? How? So let's say I have another component with the name of user.js, right? And let's import React from React and just make a const like user. Let me complete it quickly, right? And we have a text here user, and let's export default user, right? And let's simply use here import something from user. Just put here user, and let's just use it inside our HTML, right? So now you will find that we have a user component here. So let's say we have another nested component inside the user, then we have a complete hierarchical structure here. But again, you can see that this is used in line number 16 here, right? And rendered by the app, and there is a no props. So in the previous time, how we actually check the props? So we basically pass some data like here, and then we can just use your console.log, and we want to check the all props, right? And then we will pass some data from here, like I just pass some props like name, like anil, and email like anil@test.com, right? And then we just go to the console and we check that how many props are coming. But at that time we never used to just make console and all. You can just simply find here all of your props here, all of state here, right? So let's define some state also again. And now it will just tell that we have again a state here. So we have two props, one state rendered by app, and here. So it will tell the all details about the component with the hierarchical structure, right? So this is the basically benefit, that we never need to just go on the searching that where this component is used and what kind of props are passed here. We can check all details here. So this is the basically benefit of React Dev Tool, and I hope you just got a hold on it. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. I am always available for you in the comment section. And thanks again for watching this video. God bless you.